Top story, the DA has scored a victory in the Constitutional Court. That's after the court found the party's SMS on Nkandla was fair.
The SMS sent 2 months before last year's election stated that the Public Protector's report on Nkandla had shown President Jacob Zuma stole voters' money to build his 246 million rand home. The message was sent to more than 1.5 million voters in Gauteng.
The highest court in the land has ruled
that President Zuma,
the DA acted within its rights with the wording used in the disputed SMS.
The joint judgment finds that the SMS was an expression of a comment or an opinion. It was an interpretation of the Nkandla report. It did not convey a factual assessment by the DA itself. What it rather did was to offer its recipients an interpretation of the content of the Nkandla report. The DA's SMS was not intended to be and did not hold itself out as being authoritative. It based its conclusion and was a comment on the Nkandla report.
The court set aside a ruling by the Electoral Court that the SMS fell short of the fair comment test. The DA believes the ruling is a victory for freedom of speech.
A decision really in principle says that what we said in the SMS is fair comment. And we believe that that comment is driven by the Public Protector's report, which says that the president unduly benefited, which says that it gave license to looting.
The ANC also views the judgment as a victory for the ruling party.
The Concord ruling today reaffirms the long-held view of the African National Congress that the SMS by the Democratic Alliance was nothing else was meant to mislead the public as an opinion, not a fact. And the court ruling today reaffirms that it was in fact an opinion, it's not a fact. And we think that it's important for our democracy that even in the context of elections, public cannot be swayed or dissuaded on the basis of misleading information and false statements.
Observers say the ruling clarifies the rules of engagement during elections. Yulisan Jamela, SABC News, Johannesburg.